kanyang Instagram account. Nagbahagi si Kim Chiu ng latest video sa kanyang feed. Ipinasilip niya ang kanyang latest trip abroad. Makikita sa clip ang actress sa loob ng isang tren na nagbibiyahe ng solo. May caption itong, "Travel solo once in a while. Moments of solitude and self-reflection." May pahabol na mensahe pa itong, "Someone told me it's okay to get lost sometimes. That's where the adventure begins." Marami naman ang nag-react at bumilib sa tapang ng It's Showtime host na mag-travel ng mag-isa. Meron ding naghanap kung nasaan ang jowa nitong si Sian Lim. Nagsolo raw ito at tiniis ang boyfriend. Ito ang ilan sa kanilang mga komento. More travel and vlog to share with us. Thank you po. Sino tagakuha ng picture, video kung solo siya? Your boyfriend must have wanted to join you on this trip. Sad. Saan ang travel buddy mo sis? At Chinita Princess? Bakit? Asa na si Bella? I do solo trip every year. It's a tradition for me. Tripods, Apple Watch, and a camera remote shutter go a long way. Yes, it's true, cause everything must start from yourself. Actually, solitude is a bliss, as it's the way to know more of yourself. As the saying goes, you cannot give what you do not have. It must start from oneself. Good job, Kimi. Keep it up, Queen Kim. Yeah, it's okay to get lost sometimes. Basta may dalang pera ka lang, talaga dapat. Love traveling on my own. Enjoy your vacation, Chinita. May netizen ding nagtag sa boyfriend nitong at Sian Lim. Your turista. Well, sa naturang pagsusulong yon ni Chinita Princess sa pagtatravel, marami rin siyang natutunan at naging proud siya sa kanyang sarili dahil nakaya niyang mag-travel mag-isa. Good job, Kimi! Kaya naman tumutok at huwag pahuhuli sa mga maiinit na kaganapan. Anong inyong magiging reaction sa bidyong ito? Comment below.